Good morning, students. In the previous class, I explained you the comparison of rational numbers in exercise 3B, and we completed up to question number 3rd A. Today we will continue the same exercise starting from the question number 3rd B part. So question number 3rd B, arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. We have to arrange the given three rational numbers in the ascending order. I have copied the question here in my register. It is minus 2 upon 5, minus 4 upon 7, minus 1 upon 3. So to arrange the given rational numbers in ascending order, first we will find the LCM of this denominator, that is 5, 7 and 3. Students, in the previous class also I told you that if we have to find the LCM of prime numbers, here all these three numbers are prime numbers, 3, 5 and 7, all three are prime numbers. Then we can get the LCM by multiplying the prime numbers. Still I have solved here 5, 7 and 3. First we will divide it by 3. 5 will be written as it is, 7 will be written as it is, then 3 1 ja 3. By 5, 5 1 ja 5, 7 will be written as it is, 1 will be written as it is. Then by 7, 1, 7 1 ja 7, 1. Then LCM will be 3 into 5 into 7. 3 5 ja 15, 15 7 ja 105. So we have written the LCM here 105. Now divide this 105 by this 5. When we divide this 105 by 5, we get 5 2 ja 10, then 5, 5 1 ja 5. 21, now this 21 multiply by minus 2. We can write minus 2 multiply by 21, then comma. Now again divide this 105 by 7. 105 by 7, 7 1 ja 7, remainder 3, then 5, 7 5 ja 35. We get 15. So now this minus 4 multiply by 15. We will multiply this 15 by this minus 4. Now divide 105 by 3. When we will divide this 105 by 3, 3 3 ja 9, 1 remainder 5, 3 5 ja 15. We get 35. This 35 will be multiplied by minus 1 into 35. Now 21 2 ja 42. So it will be minus 42 with denominator 105. Now we will write these three rational number individually with same denominator. 15 4 ja 60. It will be minus 60 upon 105. Now 35 1 ja 35, minus 35 upon 105. Now you are noticing that all three denominators are same. So we will compare these three numbers, these three integer, minus 42, minus 60, minus 35. And in ascending order, first of all we will write the smallest one. Among these minus 42 and minus 60, minus 35, which one is the smallest one? Minus 35 or minus 60? Students, you know, already I have told you, if all the numbers are negative, these three numbers are negative, then smallest will be the largest and largest will be the smallest. So here minus 60 upon 105, it is the smallest rational number. Then minus 42 upon 105, then the biggest is minus 35 upon 105. Students, always remember, when we compare the negative rational number, then the rational number with the smallest numerator will be the largest rational number, and the rational number with the largest numerator will be the smallest one. Now this minus 60 upon 105 means minus 4 upon 7. Then minus 42 upon 105 means minus 2 upon 5. Then minus 35 upon 105 means minus 1 upon 3. So this is the ascending order of the given rational numbers. Now come to next part. Its C part is, in C part it is given minus 3 upon 7, 1 and minus 2. See, this is minus 3 upon 7, 1 will be written as 1 upon 1, minus 2 will be written as minus 2 upon 1. So here LCM will be 7. No need to find the LCM by doing rough work. LCM is 7. Now divide this 7 with this 7. When we will divide this 7 by 7, we will get 1. Now 1 multiplied by minus 3. It is minus 3 multiply 1. Comma, divide this 7 by 1. When we divide this 7 by 1, 1 7 ja 7. We get 7. So this 7 multiply by this 1. We will write 1 into 7. Again divide this 7 by this 1. Again we will get 7. So minus 2 multiply by 7. Now 3 1 ja 3. It will be minus 3 upon 7, comma 7 1 ja 7. 7 upon 7. 7 2 ja 14. Minus 14 upon 7. Here two rational numbers are negative and one is positive. Automatically the positive rational number will be the largest one. Now between these two, minus 3 upon 7, minus 14 upon 7, which one is the smaller one? Both the denominators are same. It means we will compare minus 3 and minus 14. Between this minus 3 and minus 14 is the smaller one. So first we will write minus 14 upon 7. It is the smallest rational number. Then minus 3 upon 7. Then largest is the 7 upon 7. Minus 14 upon 7 means minus 2. Then minus 3 upon 7 means minus 3 upon 7. Or 7 upon 7 means 1. This is the ascending order of the given rational numbers. Next part D is 3 minus 1 minus 8 upon 4. Its D part is 3 minus 1 and minus 8 upon 4. See students, we can write it 3 minus 1 and this minus 8 upon 4. It can be written 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. If we can simplify here, we can do. So it is now 3 minus 1 minus 2. Now these are the three rational numbers given to arrange in ascending order. Now again 1 is positive and 2 are negative. So first we will write the smallest one between minus 1 and minus 2. Which is smaller? Minus 2. So first we will write minus 2, then minus 1 and then 3. If you compare these three rational number by the number line, then also you will notice, suppose this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. You know students, as we move to the left side, then numbers become smaller, and when we move to the right side, number becomes larger. So here we have to compare minus 2, minus 1 and 3. First is minus 2, then minus 1 and then 3. This is the ascending order. Now E part. In E part, question is minus 11 upon 12, then 3 upon 5 and then minus 13 upon 12. See here, again we will find the LCM of 12 and 5. When we find the LCM of 12 and 5, we will do 2 6 ja 12, 5 will be as it is, again 2 3 ja 6, 5, then by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 5, 5 1 ja 5. Then LCM is equal 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60. Students, if you remember, you have studied co-prime number in 5th and 6th standard. So here 12 and 5 are co-prime numbers. I am not talking about prime numbers, I am talking about co-prime number. Here 5 is prime number but 12 is not prime number. But 12 and 5 are co-prime number. If we do factors of these two numbers, then there is only one common factor, that is 1. So these are co-prime number, and in case of co-prime number, LCM will be their multiplication. So here LCM is 60. Again we will write here 60. Divide this 60 by 12. 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36, 12 4 ja 48, 12 5 ja 60. It means minus 11 multiplied by 5. When we divide 60 by 5, it will be 12. See here. 5 1 ja 5, 1 remainder 0, 5 2 ja 10. We get 12. So this 3 multiplied by 12. Again 12 5 ja 60 means minus 13 multiplied by 5. 11 5 ja 55. We will write here minus 50 upon 60. Then 12 3 ja 36 upon 60. Then 13 5 ja 65 upon 60. Now all three rational numbers are with same denominator 60. So we will compare their numerator. Among these three numerator, 36 is positive, minus 55 and minus 65 are negative. We will compare only these two. Between these two numbers, minus 55 and minus 65 is the smallest one. So we will write minus 65 upon 60 first. This is the smallest one. Then this minus 55 upon 60. Then largest one is positive rational number 36 upon 60. Minus 65 upon 60 means minus 13 upon 12. We will write here minus 13 upon 12. Then minus 55 upon 60 means minus 11 upon 12. We will write here minus 11 upon 12. Then 36 upon 60 means 3 upon 5. This is the ascending order of the given rational number. Now last part, F1. In F, okay, F is C, minus 2 upon 7, then minus 1 upon 7, minus 8 upon 7. Students, see here all three denominators are same, so no need to find the LCM. We will compare only their denominator, and these three denominators are negative. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 8. So which is the smallest one? Among these three numerators, which one is the smallest one? Minus 1, minus 2 or minus 8? Minus 8, because its numerical value is the greatest. And you know, when negative, we compare negative integers, then the smallest one will be the biggest one, largest one, and the largest one will be the smallest one. So minus 8 upon 7 is the smallest one, then minus 2 upon 7, then minus 1 upon 7. This is the ascending order of the given rational numbers. Now come to the next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is, list any 4 rational numbers between each of the following number pairs. Here two integers are given. This is minus 2 and minus 1. And we have to find 4 rational numbers between this pair. So here, student, how we will do? We have to find 4 rational number. We will take this 4 as value of n. Means we have to find 4 rational number between this minus 2 and minus 1. So n is equal 4. And if we take n plus 1, then it will be n means 4. 4 plus 1 is equal 5. And how we do this? See, to get n rational numbers between any two consecutive rational numbers, multiply the numerator and denominator of the given numbers by n plus 1. This minus 2 can be written as minus 2 upon 1. And this minus 1 can be written as minus 1 upon 1. Now what we will do? We have to find 4 rational number. then we will multiply this numerator and denominator, both the numerator and both the denominator, by n plus 1. N plus 1 means 5. It means we will do minus 2 upon 1 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. We will multiply this numerator and denominator by n plus 1. Then minus 1 upon 1 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. Now it will become minus 10 upon 5 to the 10 upon 5, and this will be minus 5. 5 1 ja 5 upon 5 1 ja 5. Clear? Now what we will do? Now what we will write minus 10 upon 5. Earlier in the previous exercise you did the number line. See, in the same pattern, see, if we draw a number line, this is a number line, as we did earlier. Suppose it is 0. I am taking this one is 0. Then it will be minus 1 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, minus 3 upon 5, minus 4 upon 5, minus 5 upon 5, minus 6 upon 5, minus 7 upon 5, minus 8 upon 5, minus 9 upon 5, and this one is minus 10 upon 5. We have to write now rational number between minus 10 upon 5 and minus 5 upon 5. This is the minus 10 upon 5 and this is minus 5 upon 5. So we will write these four rational number: minus 10 upon 5, minus 9 upon 5, minus 8 upon 5, minus 7 upon 5, minus 6 upon 5, and minus 5 upon 5. So these four rational number are between minus 2 and minus 1. How? See, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, it will be minus 2. Then write again minus 9 upon 5, minus 8 upon 5, minus 7 upon 5, minus 6 upon 5, and 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, it will be minus 1. These are the four rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1. Now come to its B part. See, this time rational numbers are given 5 and 6. These are rational number because we can write 5 upon 1 and 6 upon 1. Again we have to find four rational number. It means this time also n is equal 4 and n plus 1 is equal 5. Now see, this 5 can be written as 5 upon 1 and 6 can be written as 6 upon 1. Again multiply this numerator and denominator by n plus 1. n plus 1 means 5. 5 multiply 5 and 6 upon 1. 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. 5 5 ja 25 upon 5 1 ja 5 and 6 5 ja 30 upon 5 1 ja 5. See, again both the denominators are same. Now we will write four rational number between 25 upon 5 and 30 upon 5. It will be 25 upon 5, 26 upon 5, 27 upon 5, 28 upon 5, 29 upon 5, and 30 upon 5. So these four rational numbers are between 5 and 6. See, it is 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 30. So we can write it five, then 26 upon 5, 27 upon 5, 28 upon 5, 29 upon 5, and 6. These are the four rational numbers between 5 and 6. Now its C part is minus 8 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 3. Here students, see, both the denominator are different. So first what we will do, we will find their LCM 5 and 3, and their LCM will be 15 because both are prime number. So first we will make their denominator same. How? Minus 8 upon 5. If we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3, then it will be minus 8 upon 5 3 ja 15. Then minus 2 upon 3 will be multiplied by 5. Minus 2 multiply 5, 3 multiply 5. Then it will become 2 5 the 10, minus 10 upon 15. First both the denominators should be same. See here, in first both the denominators are 1. Here also first both the denominators are 1. Then we will multiply by n plus 1. Again we have to find 4 rational number between these two rational number. It means n is equal 4 and n plus 1 is equal 4 plus 1 equal 5. Now we will multiply these rational numbers by 5. Always multiply by n plus 1, not by n. Minus 10 upon 15 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. So 8 5 ja 40, minus 40 upon 15 5 ja 75, and 10 5 ja 50, minus 50 upon 75. Now see here how many rational numbers are there. Minus 40, I am starting from minus 50. See, minus 50 upon 75, then minus 49 upon 75, minus 48 upon 75, minus 47 upon 75, minus 46 upon 75, minus 47 upon 75, minus 45, minus 44 upon 75, minus 43 upon 75, minus 42 upon 75, minus 41 upon 75, and minus 40 upon 75. These are the rational number between the given two rational number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and we have to find only 4. So student, we can write any 4 rational number. Now minus 50 upon 75 can be written as minus 2 upon 3. Now write any 4 rational number. I am writing in the serial minus 49 upon 75, minus 48 upon 75, minus 47 upon 75, minus 46 upon 75. These are 4 rational number. Now write this minus 40 upon 75. It means minus 8 upon 15. So these are the 4 rational number between minus 8 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 3. One minute, students. Sorry students, here it is wrong. I have done multiplication, wrong multiplication. 8 is 24. I am explaining here again. It is minus 8 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 3. First we will make denominator same by LCM. So it will be, when we will multiply here by 3, minus 8 upon 5 into 3 into 3, and minus 2 upon 3 will be multiplied by 5. So 8 3 is 24 upon 5 3 is 15, and minus 5 2 is 10 upon 3 5 is 15. Students, see here 15 and 15 both the denominator are same, so no need to find the LCM again or multiply by n plus 1. Now we can write 4 rational number between these two. See here, minus 14 upon 15, minus 23 upon 15, minus 22 upon 15, minus 21 upon 15, minus 20 upon 15. There are more rational number between these two rational number, but we need only 4. So we will write these 4 rational number and then write this minus 10 upon 15. Minus 14 upon 15 means 8 upon 3. 3 8 ja 24, 3 5 ja 15, 8 upon 5, minus 8 upon 5, then minus 23 upon 15, minus 22 upon 15, minus 21 upon 15, minus 20 upon 15, and 10 upon 15 means minus 2 upon 3. 5 2 ja 10 and 5 3 ja 15. So these 4 rational number are between the minus 8 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 3. We can write here by simplification also minus 8 upon 5, minus 23 upon 15, minus 22 upon 15, and 3 7 ja 21, 3 5 ja 15, then minus 7 upon 5, here 5 4 ja 20, 5 3 ja 15, minus 4 upon 3. We can write like this also, but I am writing only in this form. So students, we have completed up to its C part. Remaining 3 parts we will do in the next class. Okay students, have a nice day. If you have any problem, you can contact me.